Boker Tov, continuing with the 3-minute daily dose of Torah. We asked the question of which month is really Adar, which is the real Adar, and we referenced the Mishnah. Let's reread the Mishnah. Let's say you start off reading the Megillah in the first Adar, and then the leap year was announced. So Karino Tab Adar Sheni, we should go ahead and read it again in the second month. The only difference between the two is these two items, reading the Megillah and Matanot Levyonim. The Braita is quoted in the following in the Gemara. Let's say you read Megillah in the first month, you read it in the second month. So, opinion number one, Korino Ta Badar Sheni, you read in the second month, Shekol Mitzvot Shnehagot Basheni, Nohagot Barishon, all the customs that would happen in the second month would be followed in the first month, Chutz Mikra Megillah, except for reading the Megillah. Okay? Says Rabbi Eliezer, Rabbi Yossi, En Korino Ta Badar Sheni, you don't read it in the second month. Shekol Mitzvot Shnehagot Basheni, Nohagot Barishon, it doesn't make a difference. Everything that applies in the second month also could be done in the first month once, and so it's done. It's done. Rabbi Shimon Gamliel Omer Mishum Yossi, he says, "Ein Korino Ta Badar Sheni." You don't read Af Korino Ta Badar Sheni. You have to go ahead and reread it in the second month. Shekol Mitzvot Shenogot Basheni Ein Nogot Barishon, because the mitzvot that happen in the second month of Adar don't apply. So we're left with very confused with very different opinions. The Gemara says the following: Amar b'Yochanan, Ushnehem Mikra Echad Darshu. These two opinions that we read, okay, they are both there trying to interpret the same verse, because in the book of Esther it reads they decree that it should be read b'chol shana v'shana, and every year and every single year. Rabbi Yossi thought b'chol shana v'shana ma kol shana v'shana adar hasamuch Shvat. Just like in most years, he says you're linking things back towards the Shvat. The month that's closest to Shvat is when this happens. Purim happens in Adar, which is a month that just follows Adar, Shvat, which is the first month of the Adar leap year. Afkan Adar Samuch Shvat. That's how it should be here too. Megillah reading also should happen in the first month. Well, you can make the other argument. You're talking about generally Adar is right next to Nisan, and so that's when it should be read. So the Gemara offers in the following explanation. This is what's of interest. What would be the thinking of Rabbi Elazar, Rabbi Yossi? That makes more sense, which says Ein Ma'avirin al HaMitzvot. You should not jump and pass over mitzvot. That means that if Megillah could be read now, it should be read now, in the first month of Adar, and not wait, because you don't delay mitzvot that are meant to happen. If a mitzvah comes into your hands, you do it. And the other opinion that's offered is that no, Rav Shimon Gamliel's opinion, what's his thinking? That mismach geula adif, it's even more important than that, is that you link one redemption to the next. And Purim is a redemption holiday, and Pesach is a redemption holiday, and it's more important that Purim happen in the month that's closer to Nisan, because of that, in terms of the Mikra Megillah. So, we'll stop here, and we'll continue with the further implications, God willing, tomorrow. Have a great day.